But if we're trying to use computers to understand people, quite often it comes up with the wrong answer. And there are lots of humorous stories like that. But unless we pay attention kind of to the inputs that are going into these machines, we need to be careful as to how we use the outputs of those machines in trying to understand what's driving human behavior.
To rebuild systems actually also help reveal these kind of values, and even potentially work for critical awareness and social good related to these values, such as preferences, biases, norms, and so on.
It's basically using AI, machine learning, statistics, but also art history, film studies, all the cultural disciplines, trying to invent a kind of new methods, a new way to think about culture.
This is a period during which the giant changes on the surface of the earth, the giant changes in our history, have been driven by people like the people in this room making decisions about how to pattern the world and what to do with it.
And in the digital age, when modeling becomes possible, the models that we make, the algorithms that are produced from our models, become the tools that we use.
So in the near future, we're going to see robots and artificial intelligences come into our world. They're going to be healthcare providers. They're going to be they're going to help us do our chores. They're going to follow us around in the real world. And as they go out into the real world, there's the potential for conflict. They're going to come into contact with us. They're going to rub elbows with us. They're going to get in our way and interfere with us, but also help us as well.
This question of how do we make our values explicit and how do we ensure that the systems that we're implementing embody those values only becomes more and more important every day, and I feel like the stakes only get higher. And in fact, I would say that this really speaks to some of the greatest fears that technologists have about the impact of AI on the world.
Things don't create themselves, is my point here. We are here today to talk about artificial intelligence and how this changes the world, but it's people that change the world.